So I heard you wanted to get in shape. I heard you wanted to start working out, get your body in shape, back in order. Start to get those muscles, that six-pack, that flat belly. Reach new milestones on your fitness journey. Well, I'm here to tell you that it's very possible. But what needs to be done is that you need to put in the effort. You can't give up. There are no excuses that you can use. All your actions must be held accountable. Push yourself. Push past the pain. You were meant to be someone more than you are right now. So do not allow your brain to tell you that you cannot achieve those great heights in your life because someone said you can't or because you didn't know how. There are no excuses. There are no limitations to what you can and can't do. Your mind is the only limiting factor that you have right now. You need to surpass yourself in your limiting mindset, saying that you can't do something, you're not strong enough. You are strong enough. You are good enough. You are meant to be great. You have to get out of your head and you have to get into a habit that's going to create a life you can be most proud of. So push yourself. Show up each day. Whether you head to the gym or if you head outside or you do a workout in your home, don't give up. Keep going. There's a joy that comes with working out. A lot of times people don't see that joy immediately. They see only pain. They expect instant results, so they give up before they even try. Well, you have to try and not give up. If you want to achieve your goals, you have to push. You have to push past yourself. Push past the idea of being comfortable. And then set yourself up to achieve your goals and achieve at the highest level.